How to create a template on monday.com. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a very straightforward tutorial on how to create a template. So let's just get to it. So the first thing obviously is going to be creating a board that you want to turn into a template. So it's going to be basically your board that you want to copy and create multiple of the same board. You can do so by clicking on the plus icon on your workspace to create a new board, and you would want to go to the board section, and you have the option either to create a new board from scratch or start with a template. It does not really make a difference. The point is you want to create a board that is fit to your needs. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a board with a template, and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so we have now this deal tracker template that we have just chosen, or board I should say actually. Let's just make it a little bit special so we can recognize it later on. So you can just go ahead and adjust it to your liking. I'm just going to create a new group and name it test. Okay, so now we have a new group that is called test. We have active deals, closed one, and so on. So let's say we want to turn this into an actual template. So for any reason that you actually need it to be a template, we would want to go to the three dots on the top right, which is the options section. Click on that, and then you would want to go to more actions, and you will find it as the first option here, which is save as a template. You would want to click on that, and then you would want to just basically click on save as template. And actually, if you want to name it something else, that could also work, but I'm just going to save it as it is. So save as template, and it should say board saved as a template. So now that we can actually apply it or actually use it as a new board and just straight away just use this template instead of creating it from scratch. So to do so is going to be basically from within the same plus icon here. You want to basically click on the plus icon, and you want to go to boards, and this time you will need to click on start with template. So you will want to click on that, and you should find created by and then your username or your team member, your ID basically. So you would want to click on that, and you should find this one. You will find the templates created by yourself and also your team, so you can actually just use it right away. So you would want to just click on that, and then you would want to click on use template. You would want to name it something else, so we can just do this is the template, and I'm just going to keep it as main, create board, and we should be good to go. This is pretty much how to create templates within monday.com. It's very simple, easy to do. And you can see here we have the same group that we have just created, which is the test group. So again, just three dots, more actions, and save as a template. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.